Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. It's your girl, Star Flames, and we're back with another video. So in this video, we're going to talk about Buzbee withdrawing from one of the many lawsuits that he had filed against Diddy Combs, and I suspect that he's going to completely withdraw from all the lawsuits. Now, if you guys have been keeping up with my channel, you guys would remember that in our last video, we spoke about the judge telling Tony Buzbee that he needs to write a letter to the court explaining himself after he has violated court proceedings repeatedly. See, what had happened was Tony Buzbee is not submitted or barred or licensed to practice in the Southern District of New York. And normally, when you're not licensed to practice in a federal court or any courtroom, what you would do is to get a Pro Act visa. Tony Buzbee did not do that. So the normal circumstance would be get a Pro Act visa, then get an attorney who is licensed to practice or who has been submitted to practice in that courtroom to be your sponsor in order to assist you with submitting the lawsuits. Tony Buzbee, he did get the sponsor because he has a gentleman by the last name of Cuniff who has been a sponsor in submitting the lawsuits on his behalf. However, Tony Buzbee did not get the Pro Act visa, and as such, he was brought up in front of the grievance committee on one of the lawsuits that he filed against Diddy by another attorney. So the judge had advised him that he needs to write a letter to the court explaining himself because he violated court proceedings repeatedly. Now, as such, Tony Buzbee has filed a motion to withdraw his appearance from the case, and he's saying that his sponsor is going to take over the case. If you guys remember in the last video, I sent to you guys that more than likely the sponsor can choose to take over the case for him or be dropped completely. So now he's saying that the remaining counsel of record from Curious Law will be representing those cases. Now, he's saying, notice of motion to withdraw appearance. Please take notice that pursuant to local civil rule, Anthony Buzbee, an attorney for plaintiff in the above caption action, hereby moves to withdraw his appearance as an attorney of record until such time as he is admitted to practice in this honorable district. Plaintiff will continue to be represented by remaining counsel of record from Curious Law, dated March 18th, 2025. So he will no longer be able to represent those accusers until he has been admitted in the Southern District of New York, and I don't see that happening anytime soon. Maybe next year or maybe the next 3 years. Now, I believe that, and many people are also saying this, that they believe going forward, he will be facing fines and sanctions. I also told you guys that in the last reporting as well. So I'm going to keep my eyes peeled for you guys to let y'all know if anything else transpires with Tony Buzbee. But I do believe that chances are Curious Law is going to drop these lawsuits because they have some inconsistencies in a lot of them, and I don't see any law firm putting their reputation online for such cases. So I believe what Curious Law is going to do from here going forward, I believe they're going to review the lawsuits and then determine what they will proceed with and what they won't. I also believe that the accusers will be further questioned, and as such, that's how the final decision process will be made. But in the meantime, Buzbee is still not out of hot waters as yet because he is going to have to definitely write to the court explaining himself, irrespective of the fact that he has withdrawn himself from the lawsuits. Can we call this a legal victory for Diddy? Not as yet, because it's not over completely. Now, Buzbee also has Donald Trump former attorney advising him, so let's see how he handles all of this, but nothing can save him really. So the court has deemed Buzbee's action as a blatant disregard to legal procedures. So you know that he's not yet out of this. But I want to hear from you guys. What do you think will happen next to Buzbee? Leave a comment below. While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up, share, stay safe, and we're going to talk some more in the comment section. Peace.